In another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about how to connect the Cloudy with the Monday and to Asana. Today, I'm going to be working on with the actual ClickUp. ClickUp is one of the most easiest ways to get started making the actual connection between the actual artificial intelligence. So what I'm going to be doing here is to open a new tab. Now here, what I'm going to be doing here is to look out for the actual ClickUp. Inside ClickUp, I'm going to click directly inside here and I'm going to sign into my actual account. Before we continue, what I can do and suggest to you is to open your Cloudy account project with the actual application that is totally for free through your actual desktop. Once you have now made the actual connection of your account, I'm going to go directly inside my Gmail account with the same Gmail that I used for Cloudy and go for logged it in. Now I have access directly inside my ClickUp. So I'm going to just leave this as it is. I'm going to go back into my Cloudy and I'm going to use the same prompt that I use for Monday, for Asana, and all of those, which is I want to connect and work with my, and you paste, in this case will be ClickUp latest project. So the ClickUp is optional, the latest as well. So let's go for the element that says let's get started. So when you click into and you send this actual prompt, what's going to happen is that the actual Cloud is going to be looking out for some connectors. To find the connectors, you can see those directly into the chat section and go for artifacts. In our case, the actual Cloudy finds it for us. So what we just need to do is to hit into the element that says connect. It will be popping up this new section of the ClickUp where what we need to do is to grant the access between the ClickUp and the actual Cloudy. Just as easy as that. So just wait a few seconds in here, and what you wanted to do is to go and select the workspace you wanted to connect with ClickUp, in this case the one that we currently have, which is the only one that we currently have into ClickUp. When you click directly into that connection, it says that taking you back into the application. So in order to start working, we needed to close Cloudy and restart this. So to restart, we needed to close this from this actual site servers. I go back directly inside here my task manager. I open Cloudy once more. I head back directly into the chat that we were actually currently at, which is this one, and as you can see now appears as connected. So let's say create 2 more tasks with example 1 and 2, due dates from next week and different colors. There we go. So the last thing you need to do is just to wait and see what's the actual prompt. The Cloudy, sometimes it will be asking you for more questions depending into what actually aiming for, and or you need just to wait to see if Cloudy actually make the actual work for you. So for this, just wait till this actually appears. In this case, we actually created 2 more different tasks. It looks like wasn't connected yet. Let's go for use, and every time you go for the element that says use, you want to grant the access and make sure that the actual connection has now been successfully connected. So as you can see, it says example 1, example 2. Here's my 2 due dates from next week and the priority colors. So everything is working really fast. If you have now any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.